Trade credit insurance, export insurance, and accounts receivable insurance are all terms that broadly fall into a bucket we call credit insurance. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what this insurance is, what it does, who it's for, and how to buy it. Hi, I'm Coyle. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about the risk and insurance issues on the minds of business owners. So let's jump into what credit insurance is and how it works. The crux of all the different types of credit insurance policies is to protect you, the business owner, from non-payment of your account receivables by your customers. It's pretty simple. You insure your building, your contents, your inventory, work in progress, and other assets. But what about what could be one of the largest assets on your balance sheet, your account receivable? It may never have crossed your mind because credit insurance is often an underutilized form of coverage that many insurance brokers don't think about selling and many business owners don't even know it exists. But I'm sure what has crossed your mind from time to time is what happens if a large order that got shipped out wasn't paid, or a customer ran up a balance on an account like you've never seen before and you're worried it wouldn't get paid. Or you brought on a new customer but didn't know their payment history, and while you're happy to be growing your sales, you're worried about collecting those receivables. So, what do these types of policies do? They protect your sales made on credit if your customer doesn't pay. They can also protect sales made to customers made in foreign countries where there are two separate credit risks. The first is traditional credit risk. Your customer doesn't pay their statements. But the second is political risk, where the country that your customer is located in prevents or doesn't allow payments to be made to American firms. Why purchase credit insurance if you've never had a problem collecting receivables in the past from customers? The answer is economic conditions change, and they can change quickly. A big box retailer you sell goods to may be a significant credit risk, and finding out when it's too late can bankrupt a specialty importer or a seller like you. Even customers you've sold to for years can go out of business, leaving you holding the bag. But there's also an upside to credit insurance. It can help you expand your sales and credit terms offered to existing customers as well as new customers, knowing that your receivables are protected. You can grow your international sales as well with confidence knowing you're protected. You may even be able to obtain better financing terms with your bank since your AR is insured. Finally, many credit insurers offer their customers access to their global credit knowledge base of the firms you're doing business with, so you're aware of their payment history and any credit alerts before extending more credit to risky customers. What does it cost? Good question. Premiums for credit insurance are based on the volume of your AR, who your portfolio of customers are, and the industries you operate in. Conservatively speaking, the rate is around 0.25% or 0.25% of sales. Often it's less, sometimes it's more. If your company, as an example, does $25 million a year in sales, then your annual premium would be around $62,000. For a more accurate proposal, we'd be happy to canvass the market for you and make sure you're getting the best offer available. What types of businesses can buy credit insurance? Credit insurance is a B2B type of insurance, so firms that predominantly sell to other businesses generally qualify, and typically, most insurers are looking for firms with annual sales of $5 million or greater. Smaller firms may qualify for coverage with certain insurers. How do you buy credit insurance? You can go online and find a variety of insurers that sell credit insurance, fill in their quote forms, and then get the quotes back and compare the terms and conditions between multiple insurance companies. Or you can contact us and we'll canvass the marketplace for you from all the insurers in the market to find you the best terms and conditions with greater efficiency and ease of doing business. Have other questions or want to speak to a specialist? You can reach out to me or complete the contact form that's in my description box below, and we'll connect you with our credit specialist. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If it was, do me a favor and hit that like button. Thanks.